Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'll show you how to cancel your SendGrid account if you no longer need the service. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to the Settings section. Scroll down to Account Details and look for the Close Account option. You may need to contact SendGrid support to proceed with the cancellation, depending on your account type. Once you've initiated the cancellation, make sure to download any important data like your contact list or email templates, as these will be deleted once the account is closed. After conforming with support, your account will be deactivated and you'll no longer be billed. That's it for this one. If you're looking for other email marketing options, check out my other videos on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.